Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. This video is a part of the challenge that is hosted by Christy Crates, and her co-host is Crafting with Maria. Both of those ladies are amazing DIYers and creators. I have been following them for a while. I will link all the information about them if you don't know them in the description below. I would strongly recommend you checking out. You might find some really cool inspiration, which I really enjoy when I'm watching their videos. So the theme of the challenge was to how would I say it, we have to make something stylish for the home and make it as cheap as possible, and it is supposed to be a part of a home decor. So I have made something that I really needed, and it is, I think, pretty cool and pretty stylish. If you can guess what it is on the background, I will give you a hint. It is on the background, but anyway, I have finally made it. I really need it for, it is kind of part of my decoration, and I do use it every night. But anyway, so if you would like to see what I have created, please continue watching. For this project, it's this candlestick. I'm gonna spray paint the flowers in a basket, and I'll be using the Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte spray paint. I really like it, so this is what we're gonna do today. Okay, so the candle holder stick is dried. Same with the basket and the flowers that I spray paint. So to put it together, I bought this, I think I got it at Target for $5. I saw the Dollar Tree had some, but they had a little different one, so you can get it from Dollar Tree. I think next time I go there, I'll get it. And I got this cup, so from Dollar Tree as well. So what I'll do, I'm gonna hot glue this thing to it, but when I attach my lamp top, I won't be gluing it together because I wanted to be able to take it off and change the battery in my light. So that is the next, and this is what it's called. Yes, it's in Target, and it's LED string lights. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think my lamp turned out pretty amazing. I can't believe it. I got it pretty much done for nothing because I bought that, I don't even know if it was a candle holder or what that was, the thing from the Goodwill. It was like around $2, I think. And the basket from Dollar Tree, yay, was the cup and the lights. So it was pretty cheap. I think it was pretty affordable lamp for me, and I think it's stylish the way I did it, and it is a part of my home decor now, and I'm using it every night as a little light when I'm you know, doing my YouTube or watching TV. I really like the lights. Anyway, so thank you girls for hosting this challenge. I really enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed my video and want to see more video in this style, there is a playlist in the description below. If you're one of my new people and seeing me for the first time, please leave me a comment so I can welcome you to my little family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.